Pick this up. Look at this shit in the air. It's not getting it. There's just so much crap floating around in the air. Yeah, I'm a hominin. Yeah, I can't pick it up. Oh, I wish this would pick it up. This is amazing. I don't know what it is, but it's just crap everywhere. It's floating all over. It's not bugs. It's hard to... There we go. Getting a lot there. It's like it's snowing. There's not even a cloud in the sky. Look at this. It's showing now. Look at this. Yeah, that's not bugs. It's fibers. Jeez. Just raining down. Never seen anything like this. And the weird thing is that it's like they act like bugs, but it's just dust. Well, not dust, it's fibers. Jeez. This is what we breathe, guys. You know, This is our air quality. You know, unless you get it in a glint angle on the sun like this, you don't even see it. Just unreal how much crap is in our air.